again, from an industry point of view, from the taxation, an industry always wants to reduce the litigation, and there is a lot of measures again as far as taxation is concerned. There is going to be a comprehensive review of the Income Tax Act itself. This is an act which has been formed in 1961, and to reduce the intricacies in them and to simplify this act, I think there are going to be a lot of measures, I think, which is really going to help the industry. The TDS, which was again a major point, a major recommendation which we had put up. See, industry is doing a lot of withholding tax compliances. This industry also includes charitable institutions which are exempt from tax, but there are certain sections of TDS which they need to comply. It's very, very heartening that these recommendations have been accepted, and there is now an ease of doing business as well as an ease of charity for the charitable institutions. So their sections have also been rationalized as far as even for the industry. These things have been rationalized. Again, for the Aam Aadmi, the new tax regime again has been, there are certain incentives which have been given where the standard deduction has been increased, and even the contribution to the pension has been increased. There's also been a restructuring of the rates. Of course, we'll have to see the fine print to see the exact impact. But from her speech, it is looking very, very attractive as far as the new scheme is concerned. So and the kind of percentages which have been given, that many assessees are now going for the new scheme. Even for the corporates, they are going for the newer scheme of 22%. So it's good that there is a lot of ease of doing business measures which have been given in this budget. So overall, I think overall there are a lot of positives, and we'll have to go through the details and maybe even interact with the governments to see how best we can implement these for Goa.